Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absolute magnitude. Absolute magnitude. Absolute magnitude. Absolute magnitude is a term used in astronomy to describe the intrinsic brightness of a celestial object, such as a star or a galaxy. It is a measure of the object's brightness as it would appear if it were located at a standard distance from Earth. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Stars are classified based on their absolute magnitudes, with some being much brighter intrinsically than others. Why absolute magnitude use in example number 1. Here, absolute magnitudes are mentioned to highlight how stars are categorized based on their true brightness. Example number 2. Absolute magnitude is also used to determine the overall brightness of galaxies and their relative luminosities. Why absolute magnitude use in example number 2. In this context, absolute magnitude is mentioned to describe its application in measuring the brightness of galaxies. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.